You always have a problem. It's just
Yes.
slow. I'll go.
Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. It is, I think it's
20 to 6
20 to 6
in the
p.m.
evening.
in the evening. And I'm Roselle.
I'm Kirsten,
And
and it
today
is
it's
day
day
24 of the
of the
90
90-day
day challenge.
challenge
Today's topic is the importance of perseverance.
in our life. So, perseverance, it is the ability to persist in the face of challenges or setbacks, and it is very crucial in achieving success in different aspects of life. So, we will give you some reasons why perseverance is very important to have in our life. Okay, so number one is, so perseverance is, it helps in overcoming challenges. It means not giving up when things get tough, right? So for example, if you fail in a test, so instead of giving up on studying, you keep trying until you succeed. Or for instance, Thomas
Thomas Edison failed
Edison,
thousands
yeah,
of times before he finally made the light bulb.
yeah, through his perseverance and determination, he succeeded despite those repeated failure.
Number two, achieving long term goals. Many goals worth pursuing require sustained effort over an extended period of time. So, perseverance helps by making you
Stay
stay
focused.
focused and know no matter how slow or difficult the
Mm-hmm.
progress is, you keep going.
Yeah. For example, if you,
Completing a college
yeah.
degree, you have to study age.
Mm-hmm.
Or a marathon, you have to dedicate a lot of time for training. You have to run or jog like every week, every day,
Yeah,
sometimes.
definitely. So for instance, you also, if you want to start a business and you keep working hard despite being facing initial failure. So that's the importance of perseverance in achieving our larger goals. So, and number three is it helps in building resilience because perseverance teaches you to bounce back from failure. Like, for example, when a basketball player misses a shot, so they don't stop trying. They keep on repeating, practicing until they get better.
Or, for instance, J.K. Rowling faced a lot of rejections
Yeah,
to publish her book,
book,
Harry Potter, and now she's one of the
well known.
most
Yeah,
successful authors.
author. That's true.
She's a multi-billionaire,
Yeah.
from one
So
series.
we need to persevere in order for us to be successful in our life.
Number four, it helps develop character and
Mm-hmm.
grit. Perseverance foster the development of character traits such as grit, determination, and self-discipline.
Mm-hmm.
And it helps us want to grow as a person through difficult times.
Mm-hmm.
Your example,
Example of
growth.
character growth. Okay. So, for example, if you struggle with math or any subjects, you don't really give up. And you don't want to give up. You keep practicing until you understand the subject or the certain, yeah, the certain subject.
Or whatever you're learning.
Yeah, whatever you're learning better. If you understand it better, you keep trying
You
to
can ask
understand
for
it
help, of
better.
course.
Yeah. So that is what helps in learning and growth if you have perseverance. And is it number 5?
Yes.
So number 5 is it helps to inspire others. It's helping in inspiring others because if others see you that you are never giving up, well, it motivates them too. For instance, if you are trying to learn a new skill, well, your friends might feel inspired by something challenging too. So, or the story of, is there any?
I don't know.
Yeah, for example, the story of, oh, I don't.
I don't know how to explain.
So yeah, we keep
You keep going.
we keep going. If we keep going, if we keep on being persistent, so whatever setbacks or challenges that we're going to face, if we persevere, then we'll reach our goal and we will be successful. So in simple terms, perseverance is about not giving up even when things get tough, and it helps you achieve success in both life and business. So I hope, guys, you are going to persevere in all aspects of life. Don't give up and keep on trying, keep on pushing forward and believing in yourself, and have faith to God too, because it's very important, because without God we are nothing. So guys, thanks for watching, and hope you are having a lovely evening or afternoon or morning. Bye guys, see you.